Antonius Mizaldus, de Mundi Sphaera, Episode 13. Ut neque Dei ficiant undae nec sidere nobis, nec coelum justomae usque menusque ferratur, nec solitum per mutetapus sic omnia toto, dispensata manent mundo dominumque secuntur. As Mizaldus wraps up this section, he gives this summative statement. All of this happens with the result that, ut neque nec, with the result that neither the waves, undae, fail, nor the stars fail us. So these are result clauses, ut with some form of negative, as you can see, and then the subjunctive de ficiant, which is from de ficio de ficere, a third conjugation verb, and then nobis here in the masculine plural dative. So everything that came before, you'll have to watch the previous episode, the result of this is that we still have the waves, the oceans function regularly, and we still have the stars. And there are still more results, nor does the sky, coelum, is the sky carried away, ferratur, justly, so it isn't proper that it happen, so that it is carried away more, maius, or less, greater or lesser. So the sky retains its proper size and shape, we might say. And nor, here's the final one, nor is the opus solitum, does the opus solitum, the accustomed work, or the whole of it, you might say, nor does it change its shape, nor does it transform into something else. That's at least how I'm understanding this portion. So opus is a neuter singular nominative. It's the subject of permutat, and permutat is from the first conjugation verb permuto permutare, and so this is a third singular present subjunctive active. Solitum modifies opus, like so. And now we reach the summary statement for the whole of this section, begun several episodes ago. In this way, seek everything, omnia, everything as it is distributed, or as it is disposed, everything survives manent mundo toto, for the whole world. You can see this ligature here. The U with this mark over it as here means that it's actually UN, and the letter for the typesetter is saved through this abbreviation, and that again is called a ligature. It's very common in early modern texts. So in this way, omnia, everything, remains or survives for the entire world, toto mundo, just as it was put in place. So toto mundo, this is masculine singular, and I'm taking it as a dativus commodi, a dative of advantage. And so all things survive as arranged for the whole world, and what else do? They secuntur dominum, they follow or obey their master. Dominum is the object, it's masculine singular accusative, it's a second declension noun, of course, dominus, domini, masculine, and the master is the God who put in place the whole world. Secuntur here is from the third conjugation deponent verb sequor sequi, like so. If you enjoyed that little video lesson, please go ahead and subscribe for us, click the bell and so forth. Check out the other videos on this page, leave a comment, and please be sure to check out our Patreon page as well.